Hi, my name's Jennifer. I'm going to try and make a meal completely from ingredients we've grown here on our property. I'm thinking of making a salad with some grilled veggies like zucchini and capsicum, some sweet potato chips, and to wash it all down with some watermelon. It's a monster. I run a site called Eco Warrior Princess, and on the site we focus on all things sustainable. And we've got a podcast as well. Are there any strawberries for me? Oh yeah. Organic. Gonna grab some basil, tomatoes, garlic chives, some capsicums, cucumbers as well, some squash, some chili, some lime. For our dressing, zucchini, beans, sweet potato, some rocket watermelon. About 6 years ago, my partner and I, we were kind of sick of the urban Melbourne life in Australia, and we decided to have a tree change. Now, it's times like these, in coronavirus times, that we're so grateful that we've got space in which to grow our own food, because we can just eat what we grow and not have to fight people in the supermarket for herbs. We've got our spread. All right, let's do it. So first things first, I'm gonna start washing. And then after that, I'm gonna chop. This is actually a zucchini. I'm gonna grate this, and this is gonna go in the salad. And this part here is gonna be grilled. I'm gonna grill and fry, put it all together, combine all the ingredients, and hopefully come out with a delicious meal. I try not to waste produce that we grow. The carrot tops can actually be thrown in. I don't put too much because it can overtake and it's quite bitter, but just enough to give it some lift. Now I'm gonna make the dressing. Lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper, and some chili. Just chopping up the sweet potatoes for the chips. Watermelon for dessert. All grown right here on our property. Obviously we've got to add in, your olive oil, salt and pepper. But this meal, all the ingredients completely grown here.
Very good, honey. Thank you. Sweet potato chips are good. So good.
Sweet potato chips are yum. We're pretty lucky, really. The thing that I love about growing our own food is that we know what's gone into it. We know all the inputs, like there's no chemicals in there. Everything is just grown as is. We did go through a drought and we had some water issues, but with the rains it's been really great. And now we can grow as much as we like because the dams are full and we won't have water issues for a while. Fingers crossed. So, moral of the story, grow your own food. Cheers.
Cheers.